Welcome to RayCut Pro, a video editor built for quick social edits and deeper timeline work. In this series, we will start with a simple project and gradually reach captions, color, audio, effects, multicam, and professional export. The project screen is your home. Use projects for your edits and templates for reusable starting points. At the bottom, New Project starts a blank edit. From Template uses an existing structure, and Viral Cut Lab can build ranked short-form variations from selected media. Open a project to enter the editor. The preview shows the current frame, while the timeline below shows when every clip appears. The playhead marks the exact current time. The transport controls play or pause your edit, and the timeline can be scrolled or zoomed for precise work. Use the Add Media button near the top left to bring in video, photos, recordings, or audio. The editing categories along the bottom include Edit, Adjust, Effects, Blend, Audio, Text, Captions, and Canvas. Selecting a clip can reveal actions specific to that clip. Export is always available at the top right after media has been added. The back button returns to projects, and RayCut Pro saves your project as you work. Next, we will create a new project and give it a clear name.